Hi guys, it's me, Dragonoy. Here I'm currently playing, what is it again? Hold on. Here it is, Sound Space. Actually, it's not gonna be like this. Hold on, let me show you what it looks like in the first place. Um, oh, hold on. Give me some second. Ta-da! So it's like cyber stingy, and this reminds me Osu, but I don't want to play Osu. It's too hard. And I played this for my first time, and I try my best to do Astra space nose pausing, and oh boy, I got my I I think I should try it easier first. And on the time, this one is my bestest one yet. Just 3 misses. Look. If you don't know how this plays, I'll show you on. Hold on. Which one should I pick? There's so many types. You could pick like anything, like anyone you want. Even like in here. Oh no, no, wait, no. I don't think no. Wait, let me ask them. Okay. I actually don't know, but if you don't know, you can also paste a custom map data here. And also there's logic. Now logic. There's even Japanese. So it's like easy, medium, hard, logic, and whatever this is. But I'm pretty much sure, yeah. So I'm starting from easy because this is my first time playing it. I prefer like calm musics. Wait a minute, is there like a song which has time and Oh no, I don't think I could do that. No. Nah. No. I won't do it. Maybe this. I prefer music that is actually calm like that. I prefer like that. I try my best to not make it to 31, but oh boy, it's kind of. Oh my gosh. Let's try this. And this is the part where I show you how to play here. So you need to move your mouse directly to the boxes. Your mouse is in the box, and I'm currently using the mouse. And if this reminds me of something, try type it on the comments, okay? And don't forget, if you like this, then go to Soundbeats, okay? If you want to try it on your own. And I'm gonna be staying quiet so you guys can hear it. are going to summer, I'm planning to go somewhere, and I'll tell you later on my community. And maybe I should post things and photos, I guess. But I think that also will reveal like my face reveal, I guess. So I better go to like random stuff, like, you know, wearing masks or something. But yeah, maybe wearing masks. I'm going to reveal like, yeah, my eyes later. Don't worry. Let's say that I'm wearing glasses because I have bad vision. Although I should like stop it, but sometimes like I prefer music, like listening to music and watching videos. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I think I should stop talking now. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there is time above this board, and if you do pay attention or like that, then I can tell you that if it's your first time, you'll feel sore on your hand. But the more you tend to play, the more the chance you have less of getting arm hurt. Money. Okay, anyone, 23 misses but no pauses. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that they track pauses. That is kinda makes sense. Oh yeah, I forgot the sound space, not sound beats. Forget. Well, I think that's it. Well, I think that's it for today now. Thank you for watching. In case if you do like it, make sure like and subscribe. In case if you want to, that is, oh shoot, no. And forgot to tell you, I will be planning to go somewhere, so I won't be posting for a while. And I already feel better from the coughing. Well, okay, bye!